what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So yes, again, I'm dressed in the same thing. We're doing the same thing because I'm banging out more videos for you guys, keeping them coming. So this is going to be an unpackaging from Shop MissA. So I'm not going to keep you long. Stay tuned. Let's see what I got. Alright y'all, so the House of Glam is no stranger to Shop MissA, and a lot of you are no stranger to Shop MissA. If you do not know about Shop MissA, you've been under a rock or you're just getting into makeup and you don't know. And depending on who you watch, they ain't sharing this tea with y'all. So I came to share a little tea with y'all from what I got from Shop MissA. So Shop MissA is a store. They are located in Dallas, Texas. How I heard about them is from the awesome, marvelous, fabulous Platinum D, who lives in Texas also. They have a store in there, and just about everything on in their store is $1. On their site, a lot of their stuff is $1, if not a little bit more. But they're very reasonable, and if you're looking for reasonably priced makeup items, Shop MissA is the place to go. Now, I have purchased some stuff from them before in the past. Some of it I don't even use anymore because I ended up, it was great in the beginning and then I started not to like it. But what I do like from Shop MissA are their brushes and some of their sponges. So that's what's in. Let's see, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh no, I'm not. So everything is in here. So roughly I spent, and I don't even know why I did this. I should have just spent the $35 to get the free shipping, but I probably spent a little bit less than that. But everything I got, the price is not on here. But I'll post it down below as to how much everything was. A lot of this stuff was just about maybe $10 or $11 and a little bit less. So the first thing I got is the AOA Studio High Def Kabuki brush in the F4 and the E135, and this is their domed kabuki brush. These sell for $2. You can get this one individually for $1, and same with this one individually for $1, but they sell them as a duo, so you can get them for $2. And I love this brush. It's so inexpensive. The handles are nice and sturdy, and it's very soft, and they clean very well. And I think I actually ordered, I either ordered this for myself or for my kid, I'm not even sure. The next one I got is another duo, and this is their F10 and their E110, and these are their sculpting brushes. So these are a lot more flat, and I think I definitely bought these for myself. I want to say, one, because they have white handles. I don't know that I would want to use these in my kit with the white handles, but these are sculpting brushes, so that's great for getting that contour nice and deep. And this smaller one is great for getting that nose contour, so that's why I got it. These are nice, really nice handles on these, and this one was also $2. So they're very, very reasonably priced. I believe you can actually get these particular brushes in the whole 10-piece set. They're about $10 for the 10-piece set, or you can just order what you need if you need them. If you're a freelance artist like myself and you just need extra here and there for something else, these were pretty reasonable. Again, these were $2. The next thing I got, and I have quite a few of these, and I wanted their newer ones from their Paw cruelty-free collection that they were donating the proceeds to something, but they didn't have any more of those. Those sold out really fast because they're supposed to be super soft. These are okay. It took me a while to get used to these, but they're their high def sponge, and this is actually the beveled one, which I love these better than their teardrop ones that look like the Beauty Blender, only because of this beveled edge. And I'll take this one out and show you guys. I got this one actually for my kit. So it has that dual purpose. Like, I like to use this side to kind of pat everything in, especially getting in underneath the eye, or even patting on powder after I've gone ahead and blended everything out. I absolutely love these. These work great for even doing foundation if you want to use them. If you're a beauty sponge person who likes to put their foundation on with that. But I love these for blending out my highlight and contour and putting on my setting powder with. So this was $1. The really super soft ones that they came out with, those were like $1.55, but they were sold out of those. So the next thing I got is a spoolie, because I think like I have a set of eye brushes or a set of brushes that I use in my kit and it didn't have a spoolie. So I got their E19 spoolie brush, and that's that. And that was just $1. And the next thing I'm going to move on, I bought 2 sets of things. This one is their, let me see if I can get the name off of it, because I don't remember the name and my phone is in the other room. This is their Paw Charity All About the Eyes brush set and brush holder. So it comes in this pretty pink brush holder. And I'm actually unpackaging it with you guys for the first time. Just do that. So it comes in this pretty pink leather case. I love these. These are great for traveling. You pop your brush in, and then you have one side to put the dirty ones and one side to put the clean brushes. You actually get 10 brushes in this set, I believe. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10 brushes in this set. It has their E134, which is like this pencil brush. The next one is their E125, which is this angled shadow brush. The next one is their E126, which looks like a fluffy blending brush. And I love a good blending brush. Oh, I love a good blending brush. The next one is their E133, which has a spoolie on one end and the angled side on the other end, which is great for doing brows. So this is a great brow brush. The next one is their E132, which would probably be a crease brush, and I'll have to look and see and post each brush down below in the description of for you, because it didn't come with one. But this one I believe would be a nice detailed crease brush. And you know, you can use your brushes for just about anything. It doesn't have to be what it was actually made for. You just make it work for you. So this is their E131 brush, which is a more detailed shadow brush. It's a smaller one, flat. Then there is their E127, which looks like another great blending brush. A little bit more big and fluffy. Their E128, probably another like crease. These look very much the same though. They're probably just more detailed, but this is more of a detailed one. Then there's the E130 brush. That looks like another great blending brush for me. And the last one is like a flat shadow brush, and this is their E129. So these have pink handles that match the whole set, and like I said, it comes with the holder, so this is great for travel. So you just pop, you know, when you're done whatever dirty ones, or if you're there for a while, put your clean ones on one end, your dirty ones on the other end, and then when they're all dirty, you just put the top on and take them home to clean them. That's all. So the last thing I got, this was their, let's see what the invoice says. This was their A1 Plush Faux Mink brush set, which I thought was great because these had a lot of great like face brushes. And it comes in this black leather wrap, faux leather wrap I should say, because it's pretty soft. And it just unwraps like that. And they're all in the plastic. The handles are pretty big. So this first one is their F21 brush. So that's nice and soft. It's probably great for powder and stuff, brushing on or brushing off powder. The next one is their F23, which is this flat top brush. And again, I'll post a description of all these in the description box for you guys. But this is probably great for like brushing on, putting on cream foundation or even liquid foundation or a powder, your preference. This one is the F24 brush. And this is a little bit more, I would probably use this to like under eye, pat on, you know, my powder or whatever, or brush it off, or a really nice big fluffy highlighting brush. Although I think they have one in here for that purpose. This one is a angled brush, so this is probably great for blending out your contour. Again, that powder underneath to get close enough under the eye. And this is their F22 brush. The next one after that is their F25. This is definitely that kind of highlighting brush. And the bristles on these are very soft. And again, these are a faux mink, guys. And then this one is their F135, which is very similar to a blending brush. So that's what that looks like. And then we have 4 more brushes to go. I'm just going to pull them all out at once. And these are just smaller like eye brushes. So this is their F136, F137, F138, which is an angled one, and F139, which is like a very detailed flat shadow brush. So that's them right there. That one has an angle on it. This one is probably great for patting on shadows. Again, very soft. And then this one, good for blending. So that's what I got from Shop MissA, guys. Again, like I said, if you've never heard of Shop MissA, you've been under a rock. They have really great deals. They have a lot more than makeup items on their channel. They have like hair accessories on their channel, on their online store. They have hair accessories, makeup, of course, brushes, bath bombs, hair stuff. Really great items for really, really inexpensive. I got these, again, I got these for my kit. I had some stuff coming up, but those appointments ended up canceling, which I was kind of upset about because I had rearranged my schedule for them. I was actually supposed to have an appointment today that got rescheduled. So yeah, definitely check out Shop MissA for great deals if you're looking for really inexpensive brushes. If you're just getting in or you're wanting to build your collection because you use your brushes just about every day. Shop MissA is a great inexpensive way to get plenty of brushes, great quality. I have not had a problem with any of my brushes from Shop MissA at all. So definitely check them out. And happy spending. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to the House of Glam TV. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's why you don't miss out anything here at the House of Glam TV. Trust me, you don't want to miss anything here because I'm bringing you guys some great stuff when I can. If you're oldie but goodie though, thank you so much for rocking with me. I appreciate you guys so much. It's springtime, guys, so let's get ready to bloom and have some fun. So till the next time, my fabulous divas, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fab, because you know your girl is too. I'll check y'all in my next one. Bye.